Herbs, those vibrant green whispers of flavor and health, are making an unprecedented comeback. A noticeable upswing is on the horizon with a forecasted 50% surge in the demand for herbs and spices within the next decade. The reasons? Quality, accessibility, and affordability, the trinity of organic consumption. Herbs are not just for the kitchen anymore. They're taking over our imagination, with enchanting selections like edible flowers, chervil, lemongrass, sorrel, and tarragon leading the charge. And to help you navigate this green revolution, DIY herbal remedy kits are becoming the gateway to herbal empowerment. The world's appetite for herbs and spices is growing, with a 15% increase over the past 5 years. This is driven by a global shift away from high sugar and fatty foods towards more health-conscious, exotic alternatives. Even the giants of processed food industry are catching on, incorporating dried herbs to elevate their products. Herbs and spices are also becoming the natural, healthier substitutes for synthetic chemicals and additives, a response to the rise in diseases attributed to toxic elements. The global favorites? Basil, cilantro, and dill, with the pandemic acting as a catalyst, increasing the demand for freshly cultivated herbs by 10% annually. The culinary world is not far behind, with herbs being an integral part of innovative recipes. This isn't just about taste, it's about creative expression, about breaking boundaries and exploring new horizons. In the world of herbs, the possibilities are endless.